to create your event planning and management website for free using squarespace.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new video or new tutorial. For this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can build your own website for free. So let's get started by clicking on the get started button. Here we can see a lot of pre-made templates that can help us in creating our website. So if we are lucky, we can find a template that's about our niche, which is the event planning and management. So you can find a template in that niche and you can just remove or edit some texts and get our logo and upload it, and everything will be good for us to use. So here we can filter by the type of the website, if it's an online store or a blog or one page, or if we want to filter by topic. So let's see if we can find the event planning topic in here. So we have the home decor, nature, restaurants, events. So let's choose events to see if you can find a good template for our requirements. So this is a waitlist, an immersive 3D music experience. This one is celebrate with us. So we want one for managing events. So let's see if we can find one. Let's go back to filtering and see if we can find one for management. Let's see what we can find. We can go with the weddings one. So this is website for weddings. You have also this blank template. If you want to create your website from scratch, you can build it from this template. So all of this are just about weddings. So I think no one is about planning those weddings. So let's see what else can we find. Let's go with professional services and let's see what we can find. So here we have diets, personal trainers, copywriter, and creative project manager, brands, designing, salon, digital products, and the mindful nutrition, chief strategy. So I think I'm going to choose this one, which is this one. So just click on preview. So this is just for example, guys. You click on preview, then you click on view demo site to see the website in full width. So this is how the website looks. So apparently we will need to change images and change text, logo, but I will keep the fonts and the style also, and the colors I will keep them. So I'm going to leave all the colors. I'm just going to change the text and the titles. So let's click on start with this design and we wait for things to be set up. Then we will proceed to designing our website. So it's loading. Just give it some time, guys, and then they will ask us to give them a title for our website. So let's just give it a title. I'm going to give it my niche's title, because I have a lot of websites in this platform. I don't want to get mixed between my websites. So I'm going to do that for organizing my work. Click on continue. So I advise you guys to always organize your work and then click on close. We don't need these tabs for now. We click on close, and here we have a variety of sections. So I'm going to explain the important ones for you. So here we have the website one. So here you can adjust the pages, you can create new pages, you can delete the ones that you already have, and you can adjust the ones that you have in here. Let's go back, and I'm going to explain the marketing one, where you can grow your audience. So basically it's everything that is related to growing your audience, from email campaigns to SEO appearance to meta pixels and ads. Then you have the scheduling area, if you want to set your calendars and to show your customers your availability times and stuff like that. So just wait for them to set things up. So here you can create your appointment types, you can set your availability, design your scheduling page, and then share that scheduling page that you designed. So let's go back to home, and I'm going to explain to you the settings. It's where you can add your payment processors. So here you can set your payment processors, you can change your site's language, and also you can change your site's availability from private to public, and you can add your domain name. So let's go back to home and let's go to the editing phase. So click on editing, and this page will expand to cover the full screen to let you focus on editing and to give you more space for your designing. So here, as you can see, it expanded and it will show right now two buttons, one for add section in here and the second for add block in your left. As you can see, this is the add block and the add section. Just click on them and you can add a new section like this one, or you can edit the one that you already have. You can also duplicate it or remove it if you don't like it at all. By clicking edit section, you can change this picture from background, you can change it to anything you want. You can also edit the site's header from here. You can give it a logo, you can add a logo for your website from there. So that's it guys for today's video. I just wanted to give you an idea and make things easier for you to use squarespace.com. So I hope you find the video useful. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and to share the video with your friends and subscribe to our channel.